Pinoys are definitely well-rounded. And in the realm of sports, it's not only boxing that we're good at. Team Suzuki Pilipinas boasts of its young and talented superbike racer, 18-year-old Dashi Watanabe.
Nag-start ako 10 years old nung nag-start ako mag-racing sa pocket bike. Ang nag-introduce sa akin sa motorcycle racing, uncle ko si Glenn Miguel. Una, hobby ko pa lang. Nag-enjoy pa lang ako nun hanggang sa mahilig ako ng mag-racing talaga. Nung una kong award sa UBK, nung 14 years old ako, nag-Underbone King champion ako sa 110 Super Stock.
When I was looking for new talents, nakita ko si Dashi as a pocket bike rider. Yung pocket bike, ito yung mga maliliit na motorcycle. Nakita ko maganda yung potential ng bata. Then dumating yung time, noong 2008, I've got him from another team. 2012 is a good year because he's now racing superbikes and I saw his potential talaga pagdating na rin sa superbike. Sabi ko, eto na, pwede na to.
The whole country, along with the coaches and other athlete racers, exert their best efforts in representing our country internationally at the Asia Road Racing Championships.
Ngayon, sa physical training ko, nagbaboxing ako, tapos bike every morning, tapos para sa physical training. Mahaba yung laps ng Asia Road Race kaysa sa race namin dito sa Pilipinas. Kailangan mo rin ng yung isip mo dahil kung paano mo i-handle yung motor, hindi pwede yung strength lang talaga lahat. May plano at strategy din, bawat racetrack, bawat corner, dahil pati na rin sa pag-setup ng motor. Hindi lang ito sa rider, sa mechanics at technician, nagtutulungan talaga para sa race.
We are bearing the Philippine flag and we are also authorized by the Philippine Sports Commission na tayo yung magre-represent sa Philippine motorsports. This coming race in China, we prepared so much in terms of results nung last two races. Nakita namin yung improvement ni Dashi, especially in Indonesia where the fastest lap is 1 minute 30 seconds. Dashi, being the first time na nag-ride siya sa racetrack, he got a best time of 1 minute 33 seconds. So it's 3 seconds off, but for a first timer on the track, napaka-exciting. So gusto ko makita yung bakbakan nila sa round 3.
Dashi is definitely an inspiration to the world of superbike racing and to the youth, both locally and globally. This is Janina Chan reporting for RPN's Spotlight.